Have you ever wondered why the most powerful people in any room often say the least? This video, Silence Speaks, the unspoken code of true power, reveals why silence isn't weakness, it's a weapon. Part 1. The power of saying less. In a world that rewards loud voices, silence becomes your unfair advantage. Staying quiet forces people to wonder what you're thinking. Mystery breeds curiosity, and curiosity breeds influence. Part 2. Emotional detachment. Those who master silence often master detachment. When you react to everything, you become predictable. But when you stay calm and unreadable, you control the conversation even without speaking. Part 3. Silence as strength. Silence can hold more weight than 1,000 words. It shows patience, discipline, and self-control. When others argue, the silent one is the observer and often the winner. Part 4. The reverse psychology of silence. Ironically, silence makes people want to hear you even more. The less you say, the more value your words carry when you finally speak. Conclusion. Silence speaks. The unspoken code of true power isn't about speaking less to do less. It's about speaking less to mean more. True power doesn't need to shout it, whispers, and the world leans in to listen.